Time for those Wednesday birthdays, and we begin with the son of Sarah and John Hutton, Grayson Wayne, celebrating his first birthday today. Happy birthday, Grayson.
We got Emery Hittel celebrating her 7th birthday in Franklin, Kansas. Happy birthday, love Nana and Papa.
And we've got Allison Johnson in Bronson celebrating birthday number 13. Happy birthday, Allison.
Matthew Rodinor is celebrating his 24th birthday in Pittsburgh, Kansas. Love, Dad, and Charity.
And Sally Davis celebrating birthday number 44 with best wishes from Davis Real Estate. Happy birthday, Sally.
And Keegan Dawkins is celebrating in Pittsburgh, Kansas today.
We've also got Kent and Mona Brumbaugh celebrating their 9th anniversary in Pittsburgh. Happy anniversary to the both of you. We also continue our list with Wavell Yeager celebrating birthday number 83 in Columbus, and Nicole Graham celebrating birthday number 20 yesterday in Erie. A happy birthday and anniversary to all of you on the list. And we want this list, as we say every morning, to continue to grow and grow and grow and grow. And Amber's going to tell you how you can help us make that happen.
You can submit the birthdays to birthdays with an S at KOMTV.com or birthdays, again with an S, at KOMNewsNow.com.
And when you check out our website for the latest news, weather, sports, and everything else it has to offer, because by the way, if you haven't seen it lately, it's really cool, got a lot of cool things on it. It also has a link to sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club. You can get some special deals from local businesses. You also get a great happy birthday message from your friends here at KOAM. Just go to KOAMNewsNow.com. Sign up for the Birthday Club today.